Today, we're diving into the CORSAIR 4000D RS RGB frame modular mid-tower ATX PC case, a sleek, high-performance chassis designed for builders who crave both style and substance. Whether you're a seasoned PC enthusiast or a first-time builder, this case promises to deliver exceptional airflow, stunning aesthetics, and modular flexibility to accommodate your dream setup. Let's start with what makes the 4000D RS RGB stand out. Right out of the box, you'll notice its robust build quality and minimalist design, featuring a tempered glass side panel to showcase your components. The case comes with 3 pre-installed RS RGB fans, which not only provide excellent cooling, but also add a vibrant splash of customizable lighting. CORSAIR's InfiniRail fan mounting system is a game changer, offering tool-free adjustments to position your fans exactly where you need them. Another standout feature is its compatibility with ASUS BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth motherboards, making cable management a breeze for those who want a clean, clutter-free build. In real-world use, the 4000D RS ARGB shines. The high airflow design ensures your components stay cool even under heavy loads, while the spacious interior accommodates large GPUs and CPU coolers with ease. Cable management is straightforward, thanks to the generous routing channels and Velcro straps. The RGB lighting is bright and customizable via CORSAIR's IQ software, allowing you to sync it with other compatible devices for a cohesive look. However, while the case is versatile, it's worth noting that the front panel's airflow can be slightly restricted if you opt for a solid panel over the mesh version. Additionally, the price point might be a bit steep for budget-conscious builders, especially when compared to some competitors. Speaking of competitors, how does the 4000D RS ARGB stack up? Compared to cases like the Lianli Lancool 215 or the NZXT H5 Flow, the CORSAIR offering holds its own with superior build quality and more modular features. The InfiniRail system gives it an edge in flexibility, and the pre-installed ARGB fans add value right out of the gate. However, if you're looking for maximum airflow on a tight budget, the Lancool 215 might be a more economical choice. To get the most out of this case, consider pairing it with additional fans or an all-in-one liquid cooler for even better thermal performance. Take advantage of the modular design to experiment with different fan configurations, and don't forget to explore the IQ software to fully customize your lighting setup. Overall, the CORSAIR 4000D RS RGB is a fantastic choice for builders who want a balance of aesthetics, performance, and flexibility. It's ideal for gamers, content creators, and anyone who appreciates a clean, high-performance build. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, its premium features and build quality make it a worthwhile investment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy